Hello friends, welcome back to the money video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about guys Realme phone setting guys, and today friends I will show you guys how to remove contact number photo on Realme phone. Friends, you have say photo on contact number, friends you want to remove. So how to remove contact number photo in this video I will show you, I will tell you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your phone setting. Guys, click on contact, and which contact number photo guys you want to remove guys, select. So I want to remove guys this contact number photo. I will select. I will click on this pencil icon. As you can see, name, friends you want to change the name, so you can change the name also. You want to change this number, so you can change number. So guys, I will click on this change photo. So first friends, we can change photo from here. Friends, you want to change photo, you can select friends new photo. Example guys, I will select this one photo, and guys I will change it. As you can see, contact number photo will change when I will save this number. But guys, I want to remove this photo. I will click here remove option and save number. Friends, you can see this contact number photo will remove. Same setting as here, we will select. You want to change, so you can change from here. Remove option, save option, contact photo will remove. So like that guys, you can remove contact number photo. And friends, again if you want to set photo, okay, you will have to select photo from your gallery, and friends you can save photo again if you want, so you can save. So like that we can remove contact number photo guys. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you understood how to remove contact number photo on Realme phone device. So bye guys. Friends, do you have any doubt, friends, you can ask me in comment section. Friends, I will check, I will help you. Bye bye guys, and before going guys, please go and like the video.